In this video, we will be learning threat hunting maturity model. In threat hunting maturity model, three factors come to the picture to find organization ability for threat hunting. First, quality and quantity of data that they collect for hunting. Second, tool used to access and analyze the data. Third, the skills that analysts hold to find a security incident. The threat hunting maturity model developed by Squirrel's security architecture and hunter David Backup describes 5 levels of organization hunting capability ranging from threat hunting maturity model 0, a least capable, to threat hunting maturity model that is most capable. So let's describe each one by one. Threat hunting maturity model initial. At threat hunting maturity model 0, an organization relies primarily on automated alert security such as IDS, SIEM, or antivirus to detect malicious activity across the enterprises. This might create a signature or an indicator of injection that directly into a monitoring tool. Threat hunting maturity model 1 minimal. An organization at threat hunting maturity model 1 still rely primarily on automated alert to drive their incident response process. By they are doing at least some routine collection of IT data, organize such threat intelligence data to enrich and collect that. Threat hunting maturity model 2 procedural. In threat hunting maturity model 2 is the most common level of capability among the organizations that have an active threat hunting program. That procedure most often combine an expected type of input data while a specific analyst and technique discover a single type of malicious activity. Threat hunting maturity model 3 innovative. Threat hunting maturity model 3 organizations have at least a few hunters who understand a variety of different types of data analysis technique and can apply the identify malicious activity. The organization can be quite effective to find and combat the threat actor activity. However, as the number of threat hunters proceed to develop the increase over the time. Threat hunting maturity model 4 leading. And threat hunting maturity model 4 organization is essentially the same as the one at threat hunting maturity model 3 with one important difference. Automation. Yes, the automation is the key factor in threat hunting maturity model 4. The high level of automation allows them to focus on their effort by creating a stream of a new hunting process, which result in constantly to improving to the detection of program as a whole.